Hello, beautiful community. I'll be showing up every day for a little while to help you thrive through book club. Okay, so you may notice I'm absent for periods. I'm very busy and focused on delivery with my tribe in the transformation program. And I only do jump on live videos if I have created something specifically powerful to help you thrive. So book club, but I also want to mention that we've got Profit First, how to build and maintain a highly profitable practice running today and tomorrow, depending on whether you're in the southern or northern hemisphere. But if you haven't registered, I also have a recorded version of this. So I'll mention that as well. In terms of book club, all I want to tell you right now is the 3 forms you can get my book. So we've got the free ebook, okay? Just visit my website, the strategicbookkeeper.global, and it's there. It's easy to get. And then on the book page there, it tells you that you can get it at all major bookstores Australia-wide, hard copy. And then you've got the audio book as well. It's on Audible. You just Google the Strategic Bookkeeper and it's everywhere, okay? So it's really easy to find. Yeah, so my favorite way to digest the book is audio. Yeah, because it would be my preference, if you want to thrive in practice, that you immerse yourself in my book, in my way. Yeah, and that's going to be more than once. Or you could read it once and then join the program. That's okay too. But otherwise, we're going to go on this journey together for the long game. Yeah, for a long time. So I love the audiobook, but then I like the hardcover because you can kind of scribble in it. And then I like the ebook because I like Control Find. I'm not a big ebook girl, but I like to use Control Find in my PDF version, so I can choose my own adventure. Sorry, me fiddling with my hearing aids. If you don't know, I wear hearing aids. So that's book club, how to build and maintain a highly profitable practice. This is an amazing 2-part workshop series that I created after listening to bookkeepers globally and what they were telling me, okay? Because I've done quite a few free trainings. Now, we've got one this morning. I'm on Gold Coast, Queensland, so it's like 10 o'clock my time, 11 a.m. for the most of Australia, like Sydney, etc., not west. And then tomorrow morning for me, it's about 7 a.m. Queensland time in America. But if that suits you, this is part 1 of the 2-part series, then just drop a, there is how to register in my feed, but if you're unsure, drop a note in there and we should be able to jump in and tell you, okay? So you've got those 2 times. Now, if you can't make them, and then we've got the same next week for part 2. Okay, so part 1 today is really all things marketing. So that encompasses brand and marketing. And then part 2 next week is the selling and the systems, like administration, management, okay? So if you can't make them, I do have it fully recorded for you to watch on demand, and with resources as well. So if you haven't accessed that, if you can't find it, just drop us a comment and I'll give that to you as well, okay? So that's my 2 things today to help you thrive. Book club, oh my goodness, please definitely join that. I think the link to register will be out maybe today, and but the important thing is you get the book, okay? I'm going to push you and hold you accountable to reading it. And then the Profit First workshop, if you would like to get some really cool hints there that you can use forever, I would love to see you there as well, or have you enjoy the recorded one too.